Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For this video, see what I want to do for smoothing, and now the write will be this. In case you did that, just read and you'll see the benefit of the ingredients you are seeing on the screen. Okay guys, just wash and peel all your ingredients. As I've washed it already, so I just try to slice them now. Okay, I'm just trying to slice. Then I'll be putting them in the blender. Okay guys, this recipe is actually working, especially for this summer. You will not feel hungry much when you take it. I bet you are going to stay for long without eating. It's a very good one. I tried it and I see the difference. So I have the video on my phone when I was making it. So I just feel like, let me come and edit it and put it. Maybe it might help someone out there. Okay guys, try this one. So I'm using water now. As you can see, I just put everything for my blender and they use water. You feel use milk if you like, but me, I use water. Okay, so the thing are 2 times I blender, because blender I feel pack and put, I feel go blender make it first come down, then I can add the rest. Here now the finished blending now, so I want try them whether it's sweet. Bet me my people, the thing over sweet the warrior. I love it and I can't wait to keep doing it. I put them for fridge. It took me 2 days to finish that one. When you say I put them for